태식이
Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day.
안녕히 계세요, 여러분.
Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on. I can't keep track of them all.
태식이 나다 이 씹새끼야.
I feel like life is on hold. Perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind. Action. Communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just a fight? Either way, I don't wanna be a part.
We are lying.
Space, I don't have the heart for this. I can't be
그렇게 분기탱천하실 만큼 제가 대체 뭘 잘못했습니까?
picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promise.
이 뭔 개소리야! 시간 확! 뭔 이런 꿈에도 생각 못 했는데 와씨
Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottom.
야이 씨 거기가 들어오는 데야. 거기 들어오는 데냐고. 그거 직진 차야. 거기가 어떻게 직진 차야? 병원 들어간 데잖아. 아 들어가서 젊은 사람만 나이 먹었을 때 그렇게 나이 처먹었으면 제대로 운전해. 개.
아이고 무서워라.
왜 당당하십니까?
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know
똥.
much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again. I need a couple friends.